Today's tip of the day, I'm going to show you how to use a tape measure and how to divide up a bit of wood into equal parts. It's very simple. I'll show you right now. It's very simple, works on any bit of wood. So this bit of wood, for instance, is 8.5 inches or 21.5 centimeters, 215 millimeters. But say I wanted to divide that into 3, it's not the easiest of things to work out. So what you can do is just put the tape at an angle and measure it. So from corner to corner, if you can see that, is 9 inches. So then all you'd have to do, if I wanted to divide it into 3, is while it's at that angle, mark the 3, the 6, and then you've got 3 perfectly equal pieces. So mark it at the 3 and the 6. All you have to do is square those across. I'm not squaring them across, but get the gist. So then you've got a bit of wood, 3 perfect size pieces. Trick is to just find a number that is easily divisible by the number you need. There we go, there's my tip of the day. So hopefully that helped. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more. If you've got anything to add, then please add a little message down below. Thank you very much.